Yo, first order of the day is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it's at $11, going about 5 miles, 3 items. All right, let's go see what I got myself into. Milk and water, easy enough. Oh. Anybody home? Yeah. All right, I'm still dropping off, but I got my next order. Before I forget, it's a McDonald's. $9, going about 4 miles. Why does this lobby look closed? Because it is.
Hi man, how's it going?
Thank you. Next order up is a Starbucks, $8.75, going just under 4 miles.
Your destination is on the right.
For Josh? Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is a Muchas Gracias, $10, going 6 miles. All right, got my next order as I was dropping that off. It is a Starbucks, $9 and some change, going about 6 miles.
Good morning.
There you are.
Thanks, sir.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Next order up is a Jack in the Box, $10 and some change, going about 2 miles. I'm pretty sure I know which house this is going to. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
You too. Next order up is a McDonald's, $13, going about 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Got my next order right away. Shop and deliver for Safeway. $13, going just under 6 miles, 4 items. Next order up is a McDonald's, $8 and some change, going less than 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe, $7.75, going about 4 miles.
Your destination is on the right.
There is no parking here. This might be a mistake.
Drive safe, bud.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $18.75, going under 9 miles. 2 items. I'm like 99% sure this is a repeat customer from yesterday, because I think they have the same items.
Oh, I think you were here yesterday.
I think so too. It's good for me though, I knew exactly where it was.
Nice.
I'm gonna just scribble on that. Got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 and some change, going about 3 miles. 3 items. It should be easy money. This. Alright, I think all the no tippers finally woke up. I've been getting spammed by orders, but they're all very, very terrible. So I think I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 11:43. Current total is 132. And I think I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. So let's just say 140, 145. I think the next batch of videos are gonna land on Christmas weekend, which I've never worked before. So I'm not really sure what to expect. I feel like a lot of places are going to be closed, but maybe the tips are going to be high because it's Christmas. I honestly don't know. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.